Okay, this is the third video in our answer key for the practice test for Chapter 3. And it says, okay, they give me a graph. They said match the equation. Well, first thing I noticed, my parent function is a quadratic. Quadratics are in all of my answers. No elimination there. What has happened to the quadratic? Well, it has moved to the right 1 unit, and it has moved down 1 unit. So we are looking for a quadratic that has a horizontal shift to the right and a vertical shift down. The only one that matches that is choice number D. This will give me my shift to the right, and this will give me my shift down. Okay. Next question gives me this function and says, is it a polynomial function? Well, it may be a function, but maybe not a polynomial function. We have lots of no-nos for a polynomial function. One thing in a polynomial function is no variables are inside radicals. Also, in a polynomial, no variables have exponents that are negatives or fractions. In a polynomial function, there are no variables in the denominator. This flunks. That has a variable in the denominator. So this is not a polynomial function. So if you're given a function, look for these no-nos. Right? It could be a legitimate function, but the key word here is it a polynomial function? And if you don't have any of these no-nos, then the answer is yes. Okay, for our polynomial functions, we went through 4 scenarios about end behavior. And it was all about the largest degree of the polynomial, and it was all about the sign of the lead coefficient. Okay, so if I have this and this, then my end behavior of my graph is going to be like this. Okay, so as I move to the right, I'm going to fall. As I move to the left, I'm going to fall. Falls left, falls right. Answer is D. Okay, now what I'm given here is problem number 13 is actually the exact same thing as problem number 12. We're asked for end behavior. Even degree, negative exponent. So my end behavior, fall as I increase to the left, fall as I increase to the right. Now, if the y-axis happens to be moose population, and as I move this way in time, the graph is going down. Bad if you're a moose. A. Okay. To be continued on the next video.